Are you looking for an affordable way to get on the water? Because I have a property that you are definitely going to want to see. The sellers are currently using it as a second home, but they're ready to let it go to new buyers. Today I've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, turnkey home that's been well cared for. It includes a screened-in porch, a covered and screened-in deck, and a private dock right off the Big Niangua 3-mile marker in a cove. Today we're at 537 Beauty Road in Camdenton. Let's go take a look. My name is Ethan Lee with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Thanks for taking a look at this property with me today. For more information, please give us a call at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.